Hello, this is Rich Bankhead, and I'd like to talk a little bit about flat pattern design in this video. And so what you see here is you see a cube that I've designed out of flat material, and this material is 1/8 inch thick, and it's typically what we would cut in a laser cutter. So what I've done is I've cut the sides out individually, and I've made the sides so that they nest or lock together with box joints. And the cube is 5 inches by 5 inches, and it has a 2-inch interlock on each of the sides. So if I rotate the cube or the dice, as you can see, the sides are numbered, and you can see the different sides. And we're going to do a lot of this in the makerspace, and we'll build 3-dimensional shapes out of 2-dimensional flat patterns with interlocks to hold the shapes together. And so one of the things that I'll do quickly is I'll just bounce through the sides so that you can see how the sides are put together. So the top of the shape is cut out here, and it has the exact same pattern as the bottom of the shape. And so you notice that you can see where the different sides of the different colors interact with it. And if I flip the shape over, I can see the bottom, and I see the same exact shape. The sides are a little bit different. If I look at the front view, you'll see the 3, and it has this shape here, but then it also has an indent here, and then the indents here. And then on the other two sides, I see this shape, and it has exteriors and the back side. Oops, I apologize, the wrong side. And then here's exteriors. And so the next thing I want to learn to do is I want to learn to draw these shapes, flat pattern, and in the next section of the video, I'll show you how to do that. So now we switch to AutoCAD, and in AutoCAD you can see where I've drawn the outlines of the cuts for the shapes. And this file would be used to send from AutoCAD. We'd save it as a .dxf file, and that file would go to the laser cutter, and the laser cutter would be used to cut out these squares, these sides. And so notice here's the top view, and what we've done here is we've taken the box, this is the top view, and we've unfolded the box into sides. So this is the top view, this is the front view, this is the rear view, the left and the right, and then this view here is the bottom view, so it's directly underneath the top view. And so you notice the way we've set up the joints or the box joints in the pattern is that the top view and the bottom view have exactly the same joints. The left view and the right view, 2 and 5, also have the same joints, and 3 and 4 have the same joints. And so as you can picture, these views wrap around to form a square looking front on, and then these two pieces, 3 and 4, are added in. And a couple important things here. One, that the views as they go across align. And when we talk about how do you draw these, we'll demonstrate this. And then also vertically around the box, these also align. And these are basic introductory drafting techniques which we're using to learn to draw flat patterns much easier. And also if we do keep the views aligned, we're more likely to discover mistakes that we have in our patterns. Because we're drawing them in a 2D flat pattern software, AutoCAD, and not a 3D parametric modeling program such as SolidWorks.